Ani, harvesting. Number 6, Isarit, catching fish in the river. Then Nash, community Thanksgiving and blessing rites for a bountiful harvest held at the Acor. And last, Mamina, gathering of shells of the rice fields by the women after harvest.